Hey guys, so one of the most common questions I get is about investing in new real estate. And whether it's you're a seasoned investor or a first-time buyer, people want to add real estate, add to new properties, and gain a real estate portfolio. So big questions are investment homes. So much different than a primary home. When you're purchasing a rental property, you typically need 20 or even 25% down payment. It's a lot different than a primary home, smaller down. The rates are a little bit higher too. Advantages are, obviously, if you can cash flow the property, make money, and it's working on a monthly basis, that's fantastic. But there's different guidelines, different things to know. So when it comes to investment properties, give us a call, let's discuss your options and figure out what's best for you. Thanks. Hi, buddy.